Hello and welcome to another edition of GA4 Bite Size. I'm Mike Hall, Digital Marketing Manager at Capsule Marketing. Today we're going to have a look at how we can access and analyze our paid social campaign performance using GA4. Now in Universal Analytics, we might have head over to the campaign section on the left-hand side, all campaigns, and then filter that down by whatever source or medium we've used for that paid social campaign traffic. As usual, a little bit different in GA4, but the data is there. So what we need to do is head over to acquisition and then traffic acquisition. As usual, I'm in the Google Merchandise Store dummy account here. We're going to scroll down. We can see a list of all the various different channels that have sent traffic to the site over whatever the time period we've got is. You will notice here that organic search and paid search is split out, as is social. So whereas in Universal Analytics we would have had just social and everything would have come through that, it will automatically, as long as you've set your UTM parameters up correctly, paid social traffic will actually automatically come through as paid social. Now for this account, they haven't actually been running, by the looks of things, any paid social campaigns, but we can still use this method to demonstrate how to get that data if we did have it. So the first thing we need to do is to add a secondary dimension here. We're going to go session campaign. That's going to show you all the different campaigns that we've got running, along with the various different session default channel groupings. A little bit messy though, we just want to see paid social. So what we can do is change our filter. Instead of all users, we're going to go session default channel grouping. And had this account been running paid social, it would appear in this list. But for the purposes of just demonstrating this, we'll go to paid search for the time being, because definitely some paid search campaigns in here. OK, and apply. And here we have just paid search and all of the different campaigns, along with all the various different metrics. And you can add metrics like bounce rate, stuff like that to this as well. We don't actually have to have this as a secondary dimension. We can get rid of that. Obviously, we've just got paid search here, so we can change this to session campaign. And because we have our filter at the top, that's just going to be paid social, paid search in this case, these will be all of the campaigns that we want to analyze. And again, we have all of those statistics there. So there you have it. It's nice and simple. The data is there, a little bit different as usual to Universal Analytics, just takes a little bit of getting used to. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions about GA4, we have several other articles and videos that we've done. We've got a guide coming out pretty soon. But if you have any other questions, then do give us a shout and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.